Let us start working on problem number 4. Right, the runs scored by Indian team is recently held 5 matches one day international series are 310, 306, 288, 222 and 374. What is the average score of India in the series? Right, it is a simple problem. Right, it is average, which is nothing but mean, is going to be what? Sum of observation, right? Sum of observation that divided by number of observation. Right, now so you are supposed to take that is 310 plus, right, 306 plus 288 plus 222 plus 374, that should be divided by 5. Right, now add it here, that is 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 6 is 20, so 0 to carry, 2 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 8 19, 19 plus 1 is 20, 0 to carry, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3 is how much? 12, 12 plus 3 is 15,500, that divided by 5. Right, if you divide it by 5, you are going to get 300. So the average score of India in that particular series is 300. Option B is the right one.